September 24th, 6:09 a.m. Back to the east. Threatening skies back to the west. There's some rain laying off about 65, 80 miles to my west. We're going to hunt a little while this morning. This is not a real good place, but these damn conditions in here, it might produce. Don't be surprised to see a few fox squirrels harvested here. I might shoot a Lone Ranger in these woods. You never know, boys. They're in here. All right. About 3 years ago, I did real good right here in this area on the gray squirrels. I don't think there's that many in here this time. I believe my old buddy with a squirrel dog has trimmed them back a little the last few years. He's not doing too good, though. He's getting old like me, but he's older than I am. I don't know if I've got this second squirrel on this trigger cam or not, boys. You see how big these trees are in here. There's a big old timber in here, boys. These young squirrels can hide. You see that oak tree? That's a monster. Another monster. Look at that poplar tree, how big that damn thing is. I'm standing about, let this camera zoomed all the way up there. I'm standing 20 feet from that tree. Alright, boys, squirrels 3 and 4 should be on the ground dead. I've not seen a lot of squirrels here. I seen 2 gray squirrels earlier, right at daylight, in a different place here behind me. We may go back through there. A lot of water in them trees. They may come down on the ground. They're eating these acorns up in here, but I ain't seen that many squirrels right here. Fewer than I've ever seen before at this time of the year. Alright, boys, that rain is trying to set in on me here. A grand total of 6, 5 gray squirrels, 1 fox squirrel, all headbusters. I didn't see many more squirrels, probably 5 or 4. Alright.